Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. A really easy one. Somebody sent me this file and they did everything they need to tell me the blue represents the color of the shirt, but they would like this image of a rock and they want the cactus to show through the rock and be blue. Very, very simple. The one I'm doing it for, set your duplicate distance on 0, 0, and you'll be a lot happier in the long run. Then go up to tools and save it as default. Because when we make a duplicate of this, we want it right on top, and then we can move it over. Now, big deal if it was a 1/4 inch up or over, but you can't exactly just move it right back with the arrow keys, after you're done. Well, let's make an example of this because this video is really pretty simple. Let's go 0.25 by 0.25, and let's make it duplicate, and then let's move it over. And then let's change it to blue. And then let's move it back. It's not where it was. It's a 1/4 inch off. So change that and leave that at 0, 0. I've been stressing that for years on my video. I've set your nudge factor on 10 because I want a duplicate of this because I want the color, if we're going to use those exact colors. I only need to see part of the color. I'm going to take this image and I'm going to left click, right click. Then all you have to do is take your smart fill tool, get your eyedropper up here, take a sample of your color and start filling in colors. And then when you get to the cactus is not filled in. Then it was just your call whether you need to fill that in right there. Now, don't worry about the lines because we're going to select it all and right-click your mouse button on no outline. So there you have, I'm pretty sure if I understood what he wanted, the cactus. And you could put those cactus anywhere so that they wouldn't be particularly in this line, move it over before you do that. Or I actually filled that in. They didn't need to be filled in. It's according to that. Pretty cool design. Kind of looks like a rock, kind of looks like a ship sinking. But anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.